Mini excavator daily maintenance and inspection. Inspection your mini excavator daily is crucial to ensure it performs at its best. To begin, consult your operation maintenance manual and follow recommended procedures. Start at the front, checking the attachment and hydraulic cylinder for excessive wear. Inspect the linkage and trucks for any damage and remove debris from the radiator. Move back and check the engine compartment. Filling the water separator, engine oil, air debris, and hydraulic level. Remove any trash buildup and fix any leaks before closing the service door. Next, check the cab structure for loose bolts and inspect lights and switches for any broken components. Enter the cab and inspect the interior. Ensure that it's clean and well maintained. Remember to use 3 points of contact and follow all recommended procedures as outlined in your operation and maintenance manual.